Are you ready to learn how to create original YouTube shorts using AI and boost your channel without ever showing your face or recording a single second of video? Well, in today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step process on using AI to automate high-quality, engaging YouTube shorts that grab attention and build your audience faster than ever. Stick around because this YouTube automation course will change how you create content. First things first, why should you consider AI for your shorts? YouTube Shorts are blowing up right now, reaching millions of viewers every day. And with AI tools, you can generate engaging and original content in minutes, freeing up time to focus on other important aspects of your channel. Imagine creating captivating content without needing cameras, actors, or extensive editing. AI takes automation to a whole new level. Step 1 is choosing a niche and a topic that resonates with viewers. Look for trending topics in your niche that have a high level of engagement. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, even suggest catchy titles, and find trending keywords. For instance, if you're in the tech niche, you might focus on AI advancements or tech tips in 60 seconds. Keep it short, simple, and specific to grab attention quickly. Once you have a topic, it's time to write a script that hooks viewers instantly. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create an engaging script in seconds. Start with a powerful hook, like a surprising fact or question, then move into the main content, and wrap up with a quick call to action. For example, here's a script ChatGPT generated for a short on 3 simple AI tricks to improve your daily life. AI scripting tools make it easy to be concise and engaging. Now that you have a script, it's time to bring it to life with visuals. AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can generate unique images based on your script. Let's say your script mentions a robot making coffee. Just type that prompt, and boom! You've got a one-of-a-kind visual ready for your short. This process not only saves you time, but also helps you create original content that stands out. Next up, let's add voiceovers. With AI platforms like ElevenLabs or Murph, you can create natural-sounding voiceovers without recording your own voice. These tools offer various tones and accents, allowing you to customize a voice that fits your brand style. Choose a voice, input your script, and let the AI handle the rest. Just like that, you have a professional voiceover for your short. Now, let's bring it all together. Import your visuals, script, and voiceover into editing software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere. Arrange the clips, add engaging text overlays, and some music. You can even use AI tools within these editors to suggest cuts and effects. A well-edited short not only grabs attention but keeps viewers engaged. The final touches make all the difference, so take your time in this step.